We have an Indian dog breed. Actually, this is pretty famous. It's Mudol. They're quite fast actually. So the question is about that we have Mudol, the dog breed, Indian dog breed, found in northern part of Karnataka, predominantly that is. And these are the numbers. So village A has 18 dogs, village B has 36 dogs. That is helped, maintained by government initiation. The individuals are maintaining that. We have to make a pictogram for this. So what is the basic thing about pictogram? Yes, scale and stuff. Let's read the question. What will be useful scale or key to draw this pictograph? How many symbols will we use for village B? So I think I'll start with the pictograph itself, answering all of that. Okay, all of that we can answer. Only post we have a pictograph. I'll give some space for. We have what we have here is title. We have Mudol founds in 6 villages. Across northern or north Karnataka, right? Then we can have the scale over here and then the table. So 6 villages means we need around 7 columns. There would be the space for the village name. Village name. Should have made a bit more. Village name. And here we have your number of dogs. I think that's good enough name. Okay. So now main thing over here is the scale. So 1 of what? Let me kind of try to make a small cute dog picture. So if you are able to do that, good. If not, you can draw something else. Even a circle is good enough. Again, you need not use this. You can draw even a circle. Now let's look at the scale. I think I have space for around 6, 7. Okay, we have the largest number is 36 and the smallest is 12. And we can see all the numbers are what? What's so special about all the numbers? Oh, largest is 48, guys. My bad. All are, yes, multiples of 6. They have given that 6 dogs. So that would be our scale. Does it make sense? So we have village A, B, C, D, E, and F. Now, how much should village A have? How many dogs? How many times should I paste this? Is the question. Should I stop now or should I continue? Yeah. Is that good enough? All right. That is not needed because of 6 plus 6 plus 6 being 18 and we are done. Next is 36. So we have the first 3 and how many more? Is this correct or should I add more? No, we have 6 into 6, that is 36. Then we have 12. Is this correct? No, we need to remove 1 because 6 plus 6 will give us 12. Next is 48. So 48 will be how many? 6. 8 is 48. So we have, let me see. I think we have 9 over here. 4 and 4. Yes, this is 8. And then we have 18. So 18 is 3 of them. 6 3 is 18. And 6 4s are 24. And that's my pictograph. What will be the useful scale or key to draw this pictograph? 1 unit measures. Let me actually write it. So these questions are answerable post the diagram itself. So 1 unit measuring 6 dogs. How many symbols will you use for village B? We used around 6 symbols. That I will not write. I think you guys can write that. Kamini says village B, okay, and D, yeah, together have more dogs than other 4 villages, okay. That we need to figure out. This will answer it systematically. Total number of dogs in B and D would be B and D. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 6, 7, 8. 6 plus 8 into 6. So we have 6 plus 8 into 6. If I have to use a pictograph, why am I doing this? 6 plus 8 will give me the total number of unit of dogs basically. Into 6 I have to do it because of the scale, or I can just go over here and add it up. Even that is okay, but let me use this. So we have 14, right? Then 84. Okay. Then we have other 4 villages. So this is B and D, and this being A, B, C, D, E, and F. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So directly I'm writing. I hope I counted it right. So we have B and D done, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 into 6. How much is that? Correct. Sorry. 72. Okay. So I was thinking about the difference. Difference is 12. So no. B and D, village B and D. Have 12 more dogs than the remaining 4. Okay. I think that's the last question. Is she correct? No. And we gave the reason as well. Actually, yeah. You could have answered so C using the actual values. But again, the agenda here is to understand the table, get the information from the table, right? You can actually do this. Actually, I could have answered this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, I think the answer is supposed to be in that way. So there are 14 of this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 of that. We don't need to do this itself. Let me redo this actually. So we have, my bad, the agenda is that. So B, total number of icons, and we have in villages. My bad, I misunderstood the question's intention. B and D is 14. Other villages, actually, let me write other villages, is 12. So our answer is no, village B and D have 12 more dogs than the remaining 4 villages. Okay, I need to improve my handwriting over here. I kind of lost it. So that's the intention, guys. It's to use the picture. That makes more sense, is it not? I struggled with the numbers and I should not have. It happens. But here, this was so quick, right? So this is 3, and let me actually have a look again. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, 4 3 is 12. 12 and 2, 14. So we have 3 and 3 and 3. Yeah, it's correct. So we have 2 more dog pictures, so indicating 12 more dogs, right? So that's that. That is the answer.